Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect SD adapter to your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to take our adapter and also make sure that its connector is Type-C. If not, you won't be able to connect it with your phone. As a next step, also make sure that you have inserted the SD card to the adapter, so you have something to see. So now to connect it, we would need to simply put it onto the charging port, which is located at the bottom part of your phone. Just simply plug it in, and this is it. Here is it how it looks, and you'll be also able to see the notification which says USB storage added. Now to check the things that are located on the SD card, we would need to open Files, which looks like this. It's named My Files. Click on it, scroll a little bit lower, and you will be able to see your connector as USB storage 1. Click on it, and here you'll be able to see all of the folders, images, videos, files that you have saved on the SD card. For example, we can open this one and take a look on any video that is recorded here. And this is it for today. Also, if you are going to disconnect the connector from your phone, don't forget to swipe down, open this notification by clicking on this little arrow here and click on Mode to safely disconnect the connector from your phone. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.